It was a February afternoon in 2013. The sun was shining, and as I sat on the bench, I was comforted by its warmth. The wind chimes that I had hung on the tree were singing as though they too had come to say goodbye to my beloved Merlin. I knew that on that day I would have to say goodbye to Merlin. Merlin had a special purpose. He came into my life, and for almost 16 years, I had been someone's mother. And what a mother I was. I was so proud of how beautiful, smart, funny, and well-behaved Merlin was. Like other pet mothers, I doted on him, bought him clothes for all occasions, took him to the beach, played with him, took him to the vet, taught him tricks, sang to him, protected him. I did all the things that I imagined I would have done with a human child. When I lost my mother, he taught me my first lesson. Life is short. Enjoy the moments. Chasing lizards, smelling flowers, and cuddling together. In my mothering role, I was able to give of myself and to care deeply for another vulnerable living being. From Merlin, I learned unconditional love, patience, and enjoyment of the simple things. And as the wind chimes continued to sing, I held him closer to me, for I knew his last lesson for me was learning how to let go. And I heard the chimes echo. He came, he loved, and he left.